Hello everyone, myself Madhya Krishna. I have completed MSc at Aurangabad University. Also, I have completed B.Ed at Terna College. Today, I wanna teach to you new topic that is the halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives. Before seeing some article in this topic, first of all, we will see here what is halogen. Okay, halogen is one of the family in periodic table. Okay, in periodic table, and its group is 17th group. Which group? 17th group, or we can say that 7th A group. Which group? 7th A group. Okay, and elements included in this family are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, these are the members. Similarly, acetylene is also one of the member in this family, but the nature of acetylene is radioactive. What is the nature of acetylene? Radioactive. That's why acetylene is omitted from this family. Okay, and the halogen family is represented in this way, bond X. Okay, that means what is the representation of halogen family? Bond X, and bond X represent to the elements such as chlorine, fluorine, then bromine, and finally one is that iodine. Okay, then this word is come from Greek words. Okay, how it is comes? You see here, halo plus gen. Okay, I mean combination of these two words we get here halogen. And what is the meaning of halo here? Salt. Okay, salt. And gen means what? Forming. Okay, gen means what? Forming. So what is the overall meaning of halogen? Salt forming. Okay, this is all about halogen. The next one is that question is given here. Okay, you see here, can you recall identify the functional group in the following compounds. Okay, first compound is that benzyl bromide. Okay, what is the first compound? Benzyl bromide. Okay, this is the benzyl bromide. Okay, then second one is that hexachlorobenzene. Okay, hexachlorobenzene. Here is a Cl, here is a Cl. 6 Cl atoms gets bonded to each carbon atom of benzene ring. So its name is hexachlorobenzene. What is the name? Hexachlorobenzene. Okay, then third one is that hexachlorocyclohexane. In this structure, 6 Cl atoms gets bonded to each carbon atom of the cyclohexane. So its name is hexachlorocyclohexane. Okay, this is the name of this structure. Then next compound is that CCl2F2. The name is freon. What is the name? Freon. Okay. Then final compound is that Cl bond CH bond CCl2. That is the 1 comma 1 comma 2 trichloroethene. Okay, in this way these are the compounds which is given in the textbook, and they asked a question to you identify the functional group in that compounds. We have to identify the functional group in first compounds. Okay, then here you see here is a Br gets bonded to carbon atom, and we know that Br is one of the member of the halogen family, so its functional group is bond X. Why bond X? Because Br atom is bonded to carbon atom, so we can write the representation of Br atom bond X. Okay, then what is the functional group in benzyl bromide? Bond X. Okay, then what about this hexachlorobenzene? What is the functional group in hexachlorobenzene? Obviously what? Bond X. Okay, bond X. Why bond X? Because Cl atom, 6 Cl atoms gets bonded to each carbon atom of benzene ring. That's why here is a functional group bond X. Okay, the next here also Cl atoms. How much Cl atoms gets bonded to cyclohexene? 6. Okay, so its functional group will be definitely bond X, and we can write here Cl in bracket. Okay, the next, what about freon? Here 4 halogen members gets bonded to carbon atoms. 2 are chlorine atom and 2 are fluorine atom, so its functional group is bond X, and I am writing in this way in bracket Cl, and next one is that fluorine. Okay, the next 1,1,2 trichloroethene. What about in this example? Here is 3 halogen atoms gets bonded to you see here this 3 Cl atom, okay, is present in this compound, so its functional group is bond X. Okay, in this way we identify which are the functional group in these compounds. Okay, you find that all compounds contain only one type of functional group, and that is the bond X. Okay, the next term is that alkane. Already you are familiar with this alkane. It is also known as what? Paraffin. Okay, paraffins. Okay, before seeing the example of this alkane, first of all we will see examples of alkane. Before seeing the definition of alkanes. Okay, first one is that CH4, then second one is that CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. Similarly CH3 bond CH3. Okay, first one is that methane. methane. Second one is that propane. Next one is that ethane. The next one is that here CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3. What is the name? Butane. Okay, butane. In this way, these are the four example of alkane, and by observing this, we have to define what is the definition of alkene. Okay, you see all these compounds contain carbon carbon single bond, here also carbon carbon single bond, here also, here. Okay, all compound contain carbon carbon single bond, so we can define alkene. Those compounds contain carbon carbon single bonds, only carbon carbon single bond, then that compound is known as what? Alkenes. Okay, I can define in another words, the aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon carbon single bond, then it is known as alkenes. Okay, and the general formula of alkene is that CnH2n plus 2. Here n is equal to what? N is equal to number of carbon atoms. Okay, if n is equal to 1, then what we get? Methane. Okay, if n is equal to 2, then what we get? Ethane. If n is equal to 3, then what we get? Propane. Okay, then n is equal to 4, then what we get? Butane. In this way, these are the four member of alkenes. And what is the general molecular formula of alkene? CnH2n plus 2. Okay, then why it is known as paraffins? Do you know? We learned that alkane has low reactive in nature. That's why alkane is also known as paraffins. Okay, this is all about alkanes. The next term is that arenes. Arenes is also known as aromatic hydrocarbon. What we can say that? Aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, and here are some examples you see here. First one is that benzene. Okay, benzene. Then anisole. Here is a OCH3. This is the anisole. Then third one is that phenol. What is the name of this compound? Phenol. Okay, phenol. Then next one is that benzaldehyde. Okay, benzaldehyde. This is the benzaldehyde. Okay, then next one is that benzoic acid. Okay, all these are the this. Okay, benzene, anisole, phenol, benzaldehyde, then benzoic acid are the member of arenes, or we can say that what? Aromatic hydrocarbons. Then let me tell you what is the common in all these compound. The common in all these compound is the benzene ring. Okay, such type of benzene ring is also here. Here is also. Okay, so we can define what is arene. In shortly, benzene type compound is known as what? Benzene type compound is known. Benzene type compound is known as what? Is known as what? Arenes. Okay, arenes. Okay, arenes. Okay, this is all about arenes. I hope you will understand very well. Okay, we will stop here.